we got the opportunity to spend one day in one of the best hotels in whole Germany for free.
So let's find out what we can do with our 24 hours here in the Ritz Carlton Wolfsburg. Let's start the timer.
Okay guys, I'm super excited. We just have 24 hours. Let's make the most out of this time. Let's go room tour. Welcome to this lovely room. In this entrance you have this really lovely coffee machine, which I already put to use, as you can maybe tell. It's approved. And I really like how this coffee place here is sorted. Then you have a fridge for all the stuff you might want to bring to the Ritz Carlton, which you probably not, because there's so much delicious food here. Most important things first, the bathroom. Welcome to our really marble-ish, mosaic-ish, nice bathroom. A lot of cool stuff here. You have the really nice big shower, and of course you don't need to bring anything here. Soap, shampoo, they got it all. Then we have the toilet. More mirrors here, with more amenities here. We have so much towels, we really do not need more. And then we have this really beautiful sink, all covered with marble. It's really nice. So much space to put your stuff. I always appreciate that. I love that. Then the bathtub. I think we can both today take a really nice bubble bath in here. Of course, two really nice bathrobes, which are very fluffy, which we will put to use when we go to the wellness area and the fitness studio. That's for the bathroom. It's really nice. Let's head on to our living room slash bedroom. We have this oval office here. A really heavy stone table, just super cute, so you can sit here and work even with two people. We go to this humongous king size bed, which we haven't tried out. And you have the view over the Autostadt and the old power plant of Volkswagen, including this really nice river view, which is kind of nice if it's not raining like today. This was the room tour. Short but juicy.
So we're not only having this really nice room here, we are also having now a 3-course meal in the local restaurant. Wanna go?
Yes. Let's
go. Damn, they look good. Let's go. So today it's not chasing around the airport with suitcases or driving around with a van for hours and hours and hours. No, today it's pure luxury.
This is really an experience, 5-star hotel. Really cool that we can experience this here.
Everybody's ordering champagne, not us.
And to be fair, to be fully transparent here, we just realized how tired we are from all the months and months of traveling first with a suitcase, getting sick, still continuing, trying to hold it together, and then traveling with a van to all these new countries, which is awesome. Everything, we are so grateful for everything we do and we are able to do. But sometimes traveling is really exhausting, and then we are sitting here wanting to film this experience, this very luxurious, once-in-a-lifetime experience, and we are so tired. You have no idea.
So in the beginning, when we saw this date come closer, this event here with the 5-star hotel, we were kind of a bit stressed because we were like, we're tired already and we want some sort of vacation. But now we realize that this really comes at perfect timing, because it is a vacation.
It is a vacation.
Right? The hotel room, the really nice and comfy bed. Oh, it's gonna be probably the best sleep in months.
Cheers to that.
Guys, it's time. It's 7 p.m. Let's grab some grub.
I might or might not be a bit, just tiny bit. I never drink alcohol. Give me a Hugo, just a Prosecco, and I'm done. in the restaurant, so fancy. She pulled back the chair for me to sit down, and I totally didn't get it because I'm absolutely not used to that. So I stumbled into her. They already prepared a 3-course meal for us and also get the wine journey to that. This is so cool, so fancy. Which is a really nice contrast. There's this power plant, which used to be part of where I worked. And this is now this 5-star thing, me YouTubing here my experience. I don't know, it feels so surreal. You have no idea. And it's like, I like this side better. Way better. Hands down, I think I chose the better pre-course. Look at it. Ah. So you have figs and port wine sauce with the cheese and some bread and walnuts. And Sascha has stew.
Soup.
No, it looks actually really nice. Good goat cheese is amazing. That's all I'm gonna say.
Oh yeah.
So we were just sitting here and thinking that the whole experience here seems so spoiled, and just wanted to let you know this is absolutely not normal for us, and that we just by chance got this for free, and we will tell you all about it tomorrow. It's really crazy for us to sit here and absolutely not normal. Sometimes in life you just have this lucky moment where you get something for free. Just enjoy the experience.
I think for that nice, really nice summary of our discussion of our feelings, Maddy deserves a thumbs up, right? So, do a thumbs up on that video for Maddy.
Thank you. You're so cute today. He's not always that sweet.
yeah, right. Normally I'm way sweeter. That's right.
Exactly. That's it. Yes. 100%.
So there's only one thing left for us today. Enjoy this super comfy bed and sleep.
It's so comfy.
Yeah.
I want to take it to the van. Just shove it in there.
Maybe we can ask and sleep. So we're gonna enjoy the night now. Have a good night's sleep and see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, sunshine.
Thank you. Let's get some brekkie.
Before we tell you a little bit more about maybe our history here to this place, we need this breakfast. Let's go.
Okay, very fancy. They have caviar. I've never tried it. Okay, drum roll. Very fishy and salty.
I don't know why people eat this. Gotta flush that down.
I think I already kind of mentioned yesterday that we both worked for that company over there. So we're sitting on the different side now.
Yeah, which side of the fence do you like more?
This one.
Very nice.
Okay.
How was your $70 breakfast?
I like it.
Very good?
Yeah. We slept long, we had a late brekkie, time is running out, it's 12:30, we just have time until 3:30, so let's get into the spa. Let's go. Okay, perfect. Ha! Favorite outfit of the day. Let's go into the pool and changing to the GoPro now. Let's go. so warm in here. It's so cool here. It's already really warm. This is the sauna and we have it all to ourselves. There is no one because everybody's already checking out. We got late checkout, so we have the sauna to ourselves. And now I'm gonna show you. They have like, it's super cute. Look at this.
That has been our time in the spa, in the sauna. It was lovely.
Let's get a dip into the pool.
Right, let's get some refreshment. Let's go. So that was our pool experience. Oh, super refreshing after the sauna. And now, let's check out the gym.
This is so fancy. Everything you have here, everything you can use, every whatsoever has an own towel and water bottle already ready for you. Look at it. Everything has its own towel and water bottle, if not two.
Never seen that before.
No. Sascha said we feel so relaxed, we are skipping sports today. But actually it looks so cool, it's kind of a shame. You can watch your favorite YouTubers here on the screen while getting in shape.
So our very lovely 24 hours are coming to an end. It is 2 p.m. now. We checked in at 3 p.m. yesterday and we still got 1 hour, which is basically packing and recording this here, reminiscing about everything that we've done so far here. So
I think that's it from us. And if you ask yourself, how the heck did they get it for free? So it's a leftover from our old life.
So my old company, every employee who marries while being employed gets this voucher here to spend 24 hours in this 5-star hotel in the Ritz Carlton. That's quite generous. Thanks again.
It's a strange but good feeling to have this reminder of where you've been before, where you maybe haven't been the happiest ever.
The classic 9 to 5 you can imagine, so yeah.
And we wanted to try something new, and here we are.
Exactly.
Filming our experience in this hotel. There is more to come in the next videos. We have some really nice stuff planned, also with some other YouTubers that we will meet next weekend. And we are pretty excited for that, so stay tuned if you want to know who it is.
So all in all, I think we would have spent here over 1,200 euros, which is really a lot of dough.
If you have the money, come to the Ritz Carlton, it's a really nice hotel. Now I see the clock behind the camera. We really need to get going. You have no idea how it looks here.
So we hope you've enjoyed the video, our little experience here in the Ritz Carlton in Wolfsburg. The 5-star hotel, probably one of the best 5-star hotels you can get in Germany.
Haven't been in a lot of 5-star hotels, but this is pretty dope.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
See ya.
Peace.
Bye.
Do
it.
It's a power pose now. Try this. We can do a room tour. Are you on? Room tour.
Room tour.
Room tour.
Let's
Room
go.
tour.
Let's go.
Room tour.